meet people that I actually get along with. These are my great friends from Greece with AMD World Championship. You know,
Yannis.
Yannis is
the same name with this guy, but in a different version. Have a nice name.
Well, I'll sit up here at the AMD Championship and let you know this is how we build bikes. Gorgeous bikes, handcrafted, looks like a piece of jewelry. But yet they tell me that my bike is nice, but we'll keep that on the down low. But no, personally I like that. But
he gave me a nice heart, by the way. He's a nice guy.
We're gonna try to get over the Greeks.
And when I go from New York to LA,
yeah.
We're gonna promise me that.
We're gonna do LA.
If you don't do that, you're a witness, everybody.
We'll do LA to Chicago to Las Vegas to LA.
Take it back now.
I got you now. But no, really gorgeous.
And I promise him that you come to Greece and I will help you.
That's right.
I'm coming to Greece too.
Yeah, I gotta bring you to Greece.
That's right.
So it's bona fide, it's on tape, it's gonna be on YouTube. You know, no one's lying. This is how we do it.
This night later, the video will come with us to Greece. Okay, it's a promise.
Right.
So
I love it to the Colombia. I love it.
You like Colombian?
Okay. So from the AMD World Championship in 2000.
He's married. I'm single, eh? By the way. Yes. I'm single, no children, nothing. I'm a cat. And I'm a good dancer. Don't stop, please stop.
I got it.
You get the
I gotta get a picture of it.
So if you have any nice friend for me, call me, okay? I'm sweet, but I'm not coming.